Welcome back to Carter Homes On Demand, brought to you by Coldwell Banker. We're delighted to have with us special guest Wade Perry to provide the luxury home market report for us. Wade, great to have you back.
Hey, it's great to be here, Chris. Thanks for having me.
Oh, my pleasure. So, how has the market changed in the $1 million plus price point over the past year or so?
You know, Chris, that area of the market has really gotten a lot healthier in the last 12 months. You figure over the last 12 months, the prices are down about 10%. Inventory is down about 20%. A year ago at this time in December, we had about 1,500 properties on the market over $1 million, and today we're down to about 1,200. The inventory supply is gone from 38 months down to 25, and while that's still a buyer's market, it's a far cry from where it was just a year ago.
Okay, so
definitely getting healthier.
Certainly great news there. So how do you anticipate this area of the market to perform in 2011?
You know, this next year I think is going to be a real benchmark year for that price point. I mentioned earlier that the inventory is down 20%. When we have supply low, we just need a little bit of demand to pick that up. And I think the one driver that's going to drive that demand is going to be cheap interest rates. When you look at today, a jumbo loan can be had for the low 5% if you're looking at 20% down. And while that may seem expensive or cheap to some, remember that in 2009, a jumbo loan could barely even be had, let alone one at 5.5% or 5.25% if you go to 15 years. So I think that cheap money is really going to drive it, along with the fact that inventory is down and there's not as many properties to choose from.
Well, certainly good news, and more good news in the future, it sounds like. So
you bet.
We always appreciate the inside track on the luxury home marketplace.
Thank you, Chris.
Thank you. Coming up, we'll hear why a home warranty could be a great value for you in 2011. But now take a look at these featured properties with Coldwell Banker and our area's finest realtors.